Alright, testing. Testing 1, 2. Check that our stream up and running. Hello everybody. Looks like about my screen looks about 10 seconds ahead of your screen, so keep that in mind. Alright. Well then. Hello everybody. I'm proud to see all 0 of you attending. Hold on, let's get the word out. Get on that Reddit. Yeah, I don't trust that. Woo! All right. Woo! All right, so looks like we're getting pretty close there. About 8:34. We are officially an hour and 5 minutes away. 6 minutes from this very historic event. 1.5 trillion seconds since the epoch. It's a very important time in history. And I am going to I'm just going to talk about what's going on in the world right now, because it seems like we got an hour left till we got the historic event. So first off, what's really hot right now, a lot of people fighting for net neutrality. And first off, I think that if you haven't called your senator or whoever, if you live in the United States, about net neutrality, it's never too late. Well, it might soon be too late, but even though the battle for the net day was yesterday, you should still just call them up today. Just annoy them just a little bit more. Get some action on that. Because if we don't get some action, then the ISPs are going to get some actions out of us. So, see, we're getting pretty close with 4,000 seconds away. About an hour and 4 minutes. I am right now 10 seconds ahead of you guys, so if you're watching back at home, you will see this you gotta make sure to celebrate 10 seconds ahead of me, because otherwise you're just gonna miss out and you're gonna miss the wish that you're gonna make. So just keep that in mind. Let's see. If you want to see I'll stop this quick, this timer. It's a very simple shell script I created. It's not the greatest, but named it Epoch Clock. I have this running on a Raspberry Pi, and it runs Kali Linux. So basically, it starts out, it saves the current date, since the epoch, the current time, number of seconds since the epoch. And then it goes into this loop and just keeps on doing it. There's definitely a faster way to do this, but I just threw this together last second. And then it sleeps for 0.98 seconds, because when I had it at 1 second, it would skip over seconds. We can't have that. We gotta see the 1500. If we miss the 1500, then we miss our entire purpose. And then once 1500 has been achieved, then it just does this. I haven't really gotten to this part yet, so hopefully this works down here. If it doesn't, then I don't know. But anyway, let's get that back up and running. There we go. So it just displays the current time in epoch time, Unix time, and then we got the time left. And just in case that is completely off, because it is, as you can see over here, that's different. I have time.is up and running, just to show the accurate time. We'll probably celebrate this clock, but I don't know. I put work into that, so a little bit of work, but it's still work. We still gotta respect the work, you know. So I don't know what to do for the time being. Guess I could talk about other things, like let's see, talk about what's going around the internets. But really, what else matters other than this historic time in history where we become 1.5 trillion seconds? 1.5 trillion seconds farther from the epoch. It's crazy. I can't even imagine that. This is how many seconds from, oh man, the stupid ad for, why can't anybody do responsiveness right? I mean, seriously. I've seen that one post on Reddit the other day about Google. Someone searched up responsive design and then just plopped it up on there, and then their website wasn't responsive at all. Hey, this is ridiculous. I hate this down here. That just really grinds my gears. Non-responsive websites. In fact, we're going to search some up right now. I'm going to test what I saw on Reddit the other day. Responsive web design. Here we go. Yep, here it is. You see this? Look at this. That's embarrassing. Anyway, just had to test that, make sure that worked. See what other trashy sites we got. I don't know. If you got a trashy site, tell me in the comments. But right now we're watching this historic moment in history. Historic moment in history. There it is. Woo. All right. Hmm. All right, let's go. You know, it'd be a lot easier if I just counted instead of talking. I'm terrible at talking, I just realized. I got nothing to talk about. This is very unplanned. It's thrown together at the last second. We just gotta get something out to celebrate this landmark. And we're getting so close. I mean, we're less than 45 minutes away. And we are going all the way. Mark my words. I hope I am not muted right now. I just thought about that. Alright, we're not muted. Alright, that's good. That's good. Speaking of muted, that ad is muted. Where'd I go? Alright, what else can I talk? Ah, no, 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 no. Get out of there. Get out. Shite. I'll blame Windows 10 for that, but I know it's completely my fault. Alright. Gosh damn it. Here we go. Alright. Time dot is slash Unix underscore time underscore now. If you guys want to watch at home, go to that website. It's time.is slash Unix underscore time underscore now. And then you can watch live from home. And keep up to date, keep in sync. You know, you don't want to miss this landmark because it's never going to come again. And of course, we get even worse ad. I am not sponsored by whoever these guys are. Don't want any of that. We getting so close. Look at this. 3288, E3287, 3286, 3285, 3284, 3283, 3282, 3281, 3280. Ah, that's intense. All right. So what else? Gotta talk about. Well, in case you're wondering how I got this, you see this is Windows right here. And I said this is from my Raspberry Pi. I'm actually using, instead of using what most people use is, what is it? It's not Juice, that's Android. Darn it. It's Putty. Putty, that's what it is. So instead of using Putty, I'm just using the new Ubuntu that's baked into Windows, that Ubuntu bash, and I SSH through there. I just feel cooler. Even though it's a little bit harder, I just feel a lot more awesome doing it that way. It's more genuine, you know? You just get that feel typing on the command line that you don't get from launching it from the... There's no fun in that. Even though you're getting a command line anyway. I don't know. But we're getting pretty close. Let's see, 8:46. Woo! In case it is currently 9:47. Hold on, I got an idea. Alright, is it gonna do it? Come on, Windows 10, oh my gosh. I hate Windows. I just need to switch completely to Linux. Come on. Ah. There's no handles. Got no handles. There we go. Alright. Hey, that didn't go full screen. There we go. Woo! Now we get our current time. I'm in the central time zone. So, hold on 1 second. Good. There. That's better. Alright, sorry, just had to hide some details. Darn it, that's gonna be... Well, whatever. Whatever. Aha. Woo! Alright. So I think the best course of action right here is to just go ahead and count out loud to in my time zone 9:40 p.m. So let's get ready. We'll start in like 10 seconds. Here we go. 2940, 2939, 2938, 2937, 2936, 2935, 2934, 2933, 2932, 30, 29, 29, 29, 28, 2927, 2926, 2925, 2924, 2923, 2922, 2921, 2920. Ah! Yeah, we're not doing that. It's really hard. It's a lot of lungs that we gotta get through. Well, what else do we got? I don't know. I suppose we could browse through Reddit. I could show you the stuff that I find funny, and now entertain us for an hour before this very monumental event allows, just grips us and makes us cry, and I can't even get into the details, it's too deep. Alright. Let's see. Oh, jeez, no! Oh, I just realized the YouTube website is not responsive at all. And what I did is I just unzoomed out. That was not a good idea. Well, anyway, I say good spot to start. Let's go down here. There we go. Programmer humor. Alright. It's looking new. Woo. I don't understand that one. Sorry. We need to get this over here. There we go. Shoot, we got covering that. We don't want that. We gotta see the time. Oh, jeez. Well, that's not responsive either. See, the world needs more responsiveness. Or we'll just botch it a little bit. I don't know. Make sure everything is alright. Yep. Looks alright. I need a bigger screen. There, we can scroll this down here. Yay! Oh, cool. This guy should watch my stream. Little kid. Oh look, somebody promoted my stream. What a cool dude. I wonder who that is. Oh, what's this? This gotta be funny. Better be funny. Oh, it's on Imager. In case my baby gets hung. Tostitos? Hint of silicon. It's alright. It's just a bag of RAM. But it's alright. I wish you could collapse this sidebar or something. It probably can, but I just don't know how. This is actually for real. Ooh. This is the first time you are logging into the Devon Home Choice website. Please enter only your user ID, your reference number, and click sign in. This will open the password update screen. You will then need to create a new password. There will be instructions on the next pages. Your new password must contain 9 numbers and include at least 4, count them, 4 different numbers, but cannot include the same number more than 3 times. Wow. To create a new password, you need to confirm some basic personal details: name, date of birth, and national insurance number. These must match the details recorded on your Devon Home Choice application. Holy crap. Nobody is ever going to be able to create a password for that site. I do not see how that is humorous exactly to programmers. Well, I see a little bit. It's not great. It's alright. Alright. Just use JP. Alright, see a little meme right here. You're my son. What's it gonna be? You don't need virtual DOM. Just use jQuery. And then he gets free disappointment. Wow. That's good. It's alright. Seen it before. It's a little funny. It's a little bit funny. You don't need virtual DOM. Just use jQuery. And then they drop them off. It's the truth, I guess. It's alright. Snakes can't do math. What is 9 divided by 2? 4.5. 4.5. 4. It's integer division. I see. 4 and 8. I don't understand why they. Oh, I guess it's how human says it. This would be floating point or double if you're into Java, and then this would be integer division if you're into integers like that. If you're into that kind of stuff, you dirty hole. Person. Gotta keep PG. All right, here we go. SpongeBob. Good. Oh, that one's pretty good, except for it's kind of getting old. You know, the arrays start at 1. You know, can't we just give it up? I mean, yeah, it was funny the first time, but the last, I don't know, 1,700 times I've seen it on this subreddit, I think it's gotten a little old. Yeah, I think it needs to stop. We need something new. I know it's a thing to do something new every week. Like there's one week we did volume sliders, and then there's crappy ways to input cell numbers. I probably got those backwards, but I think this is just lazy. I mean, we could get a little bit more creative than this, you know? Yeah, and this is new. This is just posted like 2 hours ago. That's no excuse. Let's see. See what this guy has to say. Can't read that. Oh. Albus Dumbledore on Stack Overflow. Ooh. For most of my time I do programming stuff, but I like to do math too, especially if it's got more applied nature. I love jazz music and action-packed thrilling books. Ooh. Where the good guys are noble and able, but sound, self-deprecating, and always think coolly and clearly. Most of all, however, I like video games, compelling atmosphere, innovative design, and a great eye for detail. I'm best at Java, but I also have experience with C++, Python, Ruby, Visual Basic, Pascal, ActionScript, blah, blah, blah. Some idea, functional programming too. Good, whatever. Alright, that's okay. It's Albus Dumbledore. He's from Harry Potter, and he's on Stack Overflow. Seriously, guys, I don't understand why that's. It's a little bit. It's like I would say garnish an exhale in the nose. That's about it. Like you're walking down the road, and it says, "Oh, he's on Stack Overflow. I guess I can exhale through my nose now." You know, something like that. Not really upvote worthy, but I don't think. You may think differently. The joys of coding in iOS. Let's see here. Ooh. For index in 1. See, I've never coded in iOS, so Ain chat. Oh, See, the joke here that you can't really see, but it says range at has been renamed to range and in parentheses at. That's dumb. That's dumb. Why would you do that? Wait a minute. Oh, yep. He almost had it too, but damn, that sounds terrible. I'm glad I don't code in iOS, because come on, Apple, get your crap together. That's embarrassing. I give him an upvote. That wasn't really exactly. It was kind of, I don't know. He gets an upvote. Just take it. On back to programming queue. Let's see. KFC. Yep. Yeah, I saw that too. He's referencing that one thing where they had the KFC and then you click the exit, and I was like, what the heck is going on? Why? I get that when you click the exit, it spreads out, and it's annoying. But why KFC? Why KFC? I don't understand. Yeah, this one gets an upvote. This is round of applause. 90 upvotes, well deserved. That's premium. That's premium content right there. Let's see. Ray started 1. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know you were disabled. Word disabled. Where? Oh my gosh. That's. Alright, first of all, I think the Ray started 1 joke is getting kind of lazy at this point. That's like, somebody needs to make one of those upvote, one of those long meme things just to get upvotes on that. I don't know how to explain that one picture I always see when there's something where you just post it. You say the guy says it. He looks around a little bit, and then he says a word, and then this bar of upvotes just falls and crushes him, and it's just a bunch of blood everywhere. Yeah, I think someone needs to make that for a race. Start at 1. Yeah, just do that. I'm not gonna do it because I'm lazy. But if someone else does that, can't talk today. But if someone else does that, I would definitely give them a proud upvote for their viewing, or for their imaginary pleasure. I don't know what pleasure you would get out of upvoting, something like that. But getting an upvote, I guess it's there. Trust me, it's there. Wait. Where are we? Shoot, I adjusted something. It's gone. Disable. There we go. We're up here. Client side validation. Keep out on this. Yeah, that's true. That's true. It's relatable. You know, not exactly uh break breakout laughing material right here, but it's all right. It's all right. Uh, 167 upvotes. I guess I might as well hop on the train right there. Sub finds a new meme. Let's see. This better be relatable. I can't even fit it on there. Oh, get this bar out of here. Song of My People. Yeah, we're gonna skip that one because I can't look at this midget window I have right here. I can't cover up the Unix time, you know. You can't miss that very precious timestamp that is 1.5 trillion. If we miss that, our lives will be over. We would be dead. We wouldn't have anything to do with our lives, so we can't cover that up. Let's see. Let's see what this guy. Internal error occurred while showing an internal error. Whoa. I recommended to exit. Yeah, no kidding. Oh boy. Wow. Wow. Yeah, a lot of these are more laughing at incompetence on this subreddit. It's more laughing at people can't code. You know, people at Eclipse. They're expected to, you know, not have to deal with this, not have this come out of their product, but it does. And when it does, we laugh at it. That's what it is, I guess. So, fag keypad. What could go wrong? This bad. Oh, here it is. Here it is again. KFC again. Why? I don't understand why they have KFC in the background. I guess that makes it funny. Why? It's just a bunch of. You know, you could have put anything in the background, but you chose to put KFC. I guess that's the genius of it. Nobody expects KFC, but all of a sudden you see KFC. I wonder if that's a real thing. Someone tell me if that's a real thing. I need to know. I need to find. You know, I'm gonna find it right now. KFC. Exit. No, 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 no. Let's see. Close window. Does it have to be in German? I don't know. We'll just go to kfc.com, see what happens. Whoa. Alright, their site doesn't scroll, which is pretty good. Doing this on my other screen, but let's see if it's responsive. kfc.com. Yeah, it doesn't scroll. It scrolls sideways, which is a little bit confusing. Gotta get used to it at first, but this is a pretty good website, I would say. I don't see where. Oh, hold on, I gotta turn off that flux. Can't have that get in our way. Let's see. I don't understand where you'd find that, but let's just get back to the rest of it. If somebody can find that for me and just tell me where it is, I would be greatly in debt to you. Let's see, PowerShell. I don't. Ha ha. Alright, that one gets an awkward laugh out of 5. It gets an upvote. It's weird. Why is communist software so hard to read? They're against the private is, I can read that word, I just can't pronounce it. Privatization of variables. Oh, yep. I understand this joke. In case for the layperson, shoot, my internet is really slow right now. Privatization. If I close that. So that's when you put private in front of a variable instead of public. So you read it and you're like, oh yeah, this variable should only be accessed within a class. So communists believe that this shouldn't happen because everything should be public, everything should be available to everyone. So they're against the privatization of variables, so they make everything public because they're idiots. Or they don't even put anything there. No, it'll be public. It'll be public or protected because they're lazy and they don't put anything there. Something like that. I don't know. Let's go back. Bad UI. Oh boy. This is why. Why KFC? I don't get. Has someone seen this somewhere? Did KFC actually make a bad UI type pop up like this, where the X just fans out, or did some guy just make it out of the blue? I don't understand. Yeah, I don't understand. Let's see. Ooh, we got a comment. Nice programmer humor, says Andrew Sun. Thank you. It's not really my programmer humor, but thanks you anyway. I'll take full credit for it. Anyway, let's get back right into it. Got Gnapsh equals shit code, a Russian site collection of bad code. Is this not even? Oh boy. No, I don't speak Russian. We're just leaving. We're skipping over that. Check your credit card. Has your credit card been hacked? Check if you have a credit card that has been compromised in a data breach for free. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Though what would make it better is one of those bad UI things right there. Like right around here where you have to somebody get on that. I know you're watching, all three of you. Get on that, make that. Oh, buying stuff. That one's pretty good. I don't care about my laugh. You can laugh about my laugh all you want. But that was pretty good. That gets an up, dude. Let's move on to the next page. What if technology felt a little less virtual, and a bit more real? Meet Jibo, the robot for your home. Oh shoot, that's an ad. Darn it. I hate it. Gosh darn it. I got tricked by one of those ads. I hate that. Alright, I got not a number. Not. Oh, 19.9 problems, but a bug ain't one. When your code has a well-hidden bug in reading an array out of bounds. I don't get this text box exactly, but this is pretty clever title. I give you that. Give you upvote for that. You know, if it's more like a half upvote, you know, take it with a grain of salt, but it's alright. Alright, maybe they just wanted some extra. I still don't. Please, somebody send me a link to the original. I'm sending out a comment right now. Can somebody find the original? Can't type. KFC pop up, not a GIF. Alright. And what I mean by that is I want to see if it is real. Could somebody find me this pop up? I want to experience for ourselves and everyone else watching, all one of you who are watching, and I want to see if this is actually a real thing, because I want to know if some random guy just made it or if there's actually some weird people at KFC that have a terrible sense of humor. Can't even read that. I can't read that. We're just skipping over. Code Disgustifier. Alright, we're just going off the title off of that one. Here we go. Oh, I didn't read this one. How to identify someone who has lost many hours of work to crashes over their career. Control Shift S. So Shift is gone. Control S. Control S. It's alright. Give that a light sneeze out of 10. Light exhale out of 10. Upvote, maybe. You can have it. Just take it. That's probably a 0.1 upvote, but you can't. We should be able to put half an upvote or something like that. Come on, Reddit. Alright, here we go. How can they be serious? You may want to avoid companies that focus on hiring high performers. I don't know. Oh, it's a website. Oh, great. I'm gonna TLDR out of that one and just skip on it. Another one. Here we go. KFC. Too close. Click both. Oh, that's mean. That's mean, but wait, what? Oh, this escalated. Oh, shoot. You know what that means? Alright, we are 20 minutes away from the 1500. No, not 1500. 1.5 trillion mark. You can see we have 1,170 seconds left. So we are extremely close. Someone please remind me. We cannot miss this important time in history. If we do, we will die instantaneously. Alright? So let's get right back into it. Alright, here we go. Selecting code is now easy with Adobe. What? Okay, I think I see the joke here. The joke here is that you can't. It didn't let you select the entire thing. It's weak. It's a weak joke. You don't get an upvote. I'm sorry. It's maybe you do. You get that's like a 0.01 upvote. It's almost a no vote, but we can't go deeper. Ice cream for Go programmers. Go nuts. Okay. Okay, good for you. Sorry, can't upvote that, but it's alright. Angular has released some big news. That's embarrassing. That's embarrassing. It's more crappy design than anything, but it's alright. I thought this was a joke at first. Small book about designing mobile apps by Paul. Oh, gross. Oh. Alright, okay, so the first offense here, as you can see, is this person uses an iPhone. So that's obviously an offense, not really. But seriously, first of all, this is in a web view type. This person says he knows how to design apps, but it just opens in a website. That's lazy. That's designing a website, not an app. And then, second of all, he can't even design a website. Look at this down here. This is the joke here. This is, in case it went over your head. I just gotta make sure, because we're in an inclusive community. We gotta make sure the jokes we read, do not go over anyone's head. Turn JavaScript code in emoji with using Webpack. Let's go. Wait, what? Oh, it's a GitHub. Why? For the glorious name, of course. That's pretty good. Alright. Give that a solid upvote just for that right at the bottom. I was almost gonna TLDR, not read it, any of it. Alright, found this absolute gem in a questionable source file. Let's see this gem. Warning, this file is a hack. By reading it, you waive your right to impose legal action on the author of said file. This file may contain such atrocities as seemingly duplicate code, magic numbers, visual format language, and frame positioning. These artifacts have been known to cause ailments such as delusion, anxiety, stress, and depression in developers. Proceed at your own risk. Okay, it's slightly funny. I mean, I'm not laughing out loud, but it's getting an upvote. Just light exhale vote. I thought I upvoted this. It should stay there. Ticket machine exe has stopped working. Oh boy, this is more software gore. Yeah, post this back over at software gore. Oh, they can't zoom in either. Let's see. Windows, let's finish checking your disk. Please wait while your computer is done. Yeah. Basically, it's a blue screen. Oh, wait a minute. That's not a blue screen. That's a disk check. Oh. So this isn't the... So Windows is just checking the disk when it started up. That happens sometimes. It periodically happens. Like this one day, if you notice your computer just does this random... it's black screen now, but back in XP days, it was blue screen. And most ATMs run XP, like this one. But that is not a blue screen. There's nothing wrong with this. It is actually just checking the disk. So I guess you can't use it, but it's kind of working. So I'm not... So because that one's really software gore, and it's not truly stopped working, I'm gonna avoid upvoting that one, but I will give you a solid nice try out of 17 for that one. Another bad UI. Let's see. Shoot, I didn't read that. I finished embedding that Facebook video, boss. Ah. Okay, it's slight laugh you get from that one. You see, when the mouse is in the middle, it opens the UI when you try to interact. It's bad UI at its core. I give it's the first one I've seen like that, so it gets an upvote just for that. Let's make sure we're not missing. Ooh, we're sitting about 13 minutes from the epoch. 740 seconds, boys. Here we go. Let's continue our New Year's Eve like celebration with another bad UI post. Alright, what's going on here? I don't know, it's in German or something like that. I can't read that, so I can't upvote it. I don't understand it. This mobile optimized ingredients calculator. I probably could understand it, but if I spent 10 seconds more on it, but we're getting so close, we gotta get through. Anybody else feel this way? Is it just me, or do you get paralyzed when working on building something after it's been failing? Like, I could be doing other things while it's building, but I feel like I need to lend it my energy and just stare at it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I can relate to this. It's not exactly funny, but you can relate, you know? It's like one of those minion posts that you see everywhere on Instagram or Facebook. It's relatable, but it's like, yeah, me too. Well, I guess it's a little bit more funny than that, but yeah, I feel the need to stare at everything just like we all are staring at this right now. We're at 650 seconds, almost 10 minutes away. We're getting pretty close here. Oh boy, what are you guys doing to celebrate? Ooh, it's getting intense. Alright, when it's time to start using version control. After 20 years of Visual Basic. Why is this funny? You need to kill sometimes before. Oh, when it's time to start using version control. After 20 years of Visual Basic, you finally want to learn something new, and somehow you feel it's not knitting. Okay, that's kind of funny. You need to kill some time before opening day of Star Wars. Alright, the joke here is these are funny reasons for why you want to learn Git, I guess. You repeatedly tell your teammates not to mess with index.php while you're working on it. Alright. That's alright, that is true. You think that interactive rebase would make for a very nice extension of your buzzword. Okay, that's fine. You heard rumors that it was invented by nope. You wrestled down IE6. What should stop you now? I'm done. We had so much fun making this site. We had to. Alright, it's somewhat funny. It's okay. But it doesn't get my upvote. I am sorry. Linux Linnea Torviotis. I don't know if I want to. Is your son a computer hacker? Alright. I got a TLDR out of this one. Because we only have 525 seconds left. Can you believe it? It is getting so close. Ugh. We are almost 1.5 trillion seconds away from the epoch. We are 500 seconds away from being 1.5 trillion seconds away from the epoch. That's insane. Almost now it's 494. It keeps slipping from us. It's just a metaphor for time. It just keeps going. There's no stopping it. Wow, let's keep entertaining ourselves. How to remove a child. All right, this is funny. It's not that funny. I don't laugh at stuff that's supposed to be super funny, and then I laugh at stuff like this. So this is funny because in object-oriented programming, you got parent classes and child classes, and this guy wants to know how to remove a child from a parent. It's not referring to childbirth or anything like that. It's referring to children or classes and stuff. It's all right. It's not too bad, but it looks bad when you forget to add jQuery. Oh, it was a jQuery. Oh, yep. That's another way to look at it. Yeah, I missed that part. So Python script will make you on a FBI watch list. All right, we gotta wrap it up. We gotta put me on a watch list. .py. We're gonna do some dubious Googles. Oh, I have a terrible laugh. I am sorry for all 6 of you. Holy crap, that's amazing. Who just listened to my laugh right there. We're going to do some dubious Googles. Feel free to run this process in the background. Search for buy. That's pretty hilarious. I gotta. Oh shoot, I'm not. Am I signed in? I'm not signed into GitHub, so I'll star this later. But I will star that. Trust me. That gets an upvote. Here's how you close a bottle. Vim. It's Vim. Vim. And why is there an X right there? It should be. Is this a mix of the KFC memes and Vim? Nobody knows how to close it. And it might be. Whatever. Shoot, we're getting 345 seconds left. We got time for one more, I think, unintentionally funny. Let's see. Buzzword bingo.
What is this?
YouTube, we can't do that. Alright, the goal here is to make it so fun that user. Alright, we'll end on this one. Oh, it's a game. So make it so fun that they don't want to leave. Alright, so we are 300 seconds out. We gotta watch the rest of it. This is getting intense. Let's get this back out in here. Oh boy. This is intense. Shoot. Crap. Stop that. Sorry, I'm looking at my second monitor. I don't know. Windows 10 just doesn't like the creators update doesn't like monitors for some reason. I don't know why. But we are 283, 282, 281. We're almost there. What we got? We gotta decide what we're gonna do. When it hits, shoot, I gotta toggle. Here we go. We gotta decide what we're gonna do when we hit 1.5 trillion. Ooh, I don't know. Just scream, just spam some comments. I don't know. Or sit there and exist. I guess that's fine celebration. You could, I don't know if you can run and get some champagne, or if you're underage, maybe some Sprite. Just pop it. Just pop it right there. Let it fizz over, and yell to all your friends and family who may or may not, probably not, may or may not be near you right now, and just yell happy 1.5 trillion, and then the next second realize it's gone. But this is intense here. Oh boy, we're like 4 minutes out. Who's ready? Oh, I bet the aliens come down and enlighten us, and somebody sends light from above. The light shines all around us, and just it's gonna be amazing. Holy crap. Why am I scrolling stuff? Here we go. Oh boy. What a time to be alive. It would be really terrible to be killed at 1.499999999. I don't know how many nines on there, but if you died right before that, that would be a terrible death. And I'm sorry if I jinxed someone. I gotta knock on some wood here. There we go. Here we go. Oh boy. If you guys want to watch live on your own side and make sure you don't miss it because of the lag, go to time.is/Unix_time_now. This one right here, so it's live in your area. Because I think I am 10 seconds ahead of all you guys, because I'm in the future. So I don't want you guys to miss this. So go ahead, fire that page up somewhere, or if you have something like this running on a command line, do that too. Just, I don't want to mess this up for you guys because you're watching this instead of at home. We got to be in sync. So go ahead and do that. Here it is. 100 seconds away. What are you going to do? I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to yell. I'm going to yell at the top of my lungs, and your ears are going to die. Oh boy. 93, 92, 91, 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, 80. Oh boy. I really hope I coded this shell script right. Otherwise, it would be really anticlimactic. And I don't know. If it keeps going after that, I programmed it so it shouldn't do that. But if it does, I'm going to be ruined. And if that misses or something, I don't know. But I checked the code. It should be fine. Let's hope. Here we go. Let's hope it works. Alright. 46, 45, 44, 43. Oh, shoot. I did that thing. 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 44, 33. Oh, shoot. I gotta get my screenshot ready. Screenshot. Oh, boy. Alright. Windows key, print screen. Alright. Get ready for them screenshots. Here we go. I'm going to hold down Windows key just so I can get right on it. Woo! 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Oh, it's like 4, 3, 2, 1. Just screenshots. Yes! We did it! There it is! We have made it! 1.5 trillion, and of course my code did not work. Come on. Oh, something about a dash mark or something. I don't know. But we did it. 1.5 trillion. Go tell your wives. Go tell your kids. Go tell your family. Go tell the friends you don't have. And go cry. This dream. Oh, is almost over. I just see it real and how much time, how far we made it since January 1st, 1970. It's just amazing. Oh, I'm gonna cry. I am crying. There are tears everywhere. Oh, wow. This is amazing. It's a great time to be alive. Oh boy. We're never gonna get that back. You know what? What we need to do is we need to see if we ever actually got that darn screenshot. Here we go. Let's go over here. Let's make sure we got it right on time. Hopefully. Alright, looks like we took 3 of them. Alright. Alright, don't worry. This is only the first one. Took 3 of them. There we go. This is it. And that, of course, is my stream on that. Darn it! It took a screenshot of the second screen too. That's all right. We got the screenshot. Look at this. That's 1500 right there. Oh my gosh, what a time to be alive. That's amazing. Well, I know I had an amazing time counting down to this, and I know we'll have plenty more amazing times counting down to uh the next mark, which I don't know what would be, like 1.6 million trillion. Well, 1.6 trillion maybe, or I don't know. Let's just wait till 2 trillion. How long can that be, right? Anyway, thank you for tuning in tonight. I'm gonna sign off. That was amazing. Wow. Think of what productive things we could be doing right now. Think of the time lost because 7 of us has taken the time to tune into the stream and watch some random stat. But it was worth it. Because this will never happen again. This very moment will never come back to us unless they reset the epoch, but that would probably happen a long time from now. But anyway, thank you people for tuning in. I am going to sign off. Have a great rest of your life, and don't use PHP. All right. Goodbye.